One of my favorite childhood meals growing up was fried pork chops with white rice and beans. Today I'm going to show you how to make those same fried pork chops but in the air fryer. And trust me, you're not even going to miss frying them in oil. Let me show you how I do it. So today is a snow day, so if you hear noises and see people walking back and forth, everybody's home. In this bowl, I have my pork chops that I'm just going to go ahead and season up with some adobo, garlic powder. When I season pork chops versus seasoning chicken, I like to, get all around the pork chop just because I feel like they're a little bit harder to get the seasoning into those crevices. And do not forget to season that bone. My people who get it. Some black pepper, some onion powder. You can also do this seasoning on a tray. I washed it in this bowl, so I'm not dirtying another dish. Some paprika. Just make sure you're rubbing those seasonings into the meat. And a packet of sazon. I think I have about 8 pork chops in here, so I think 1 should be fine. That's the beauty of using paprika, is if you want that nice, vibrant color, the paprika helps you do that. This is just kind of giving a little bit more flavor, so you don't have to use too much, you know what I mean? And I like to add just a little bit of oregano. My hands will probably be a little bit yellow for a little while, but that's okay. As much as I wash my hands, by the time I'm done cooking, the yellow's gone. So I'm gonna set these aside. I'm gonna let them marinate for a little while I get the rest of my dinner going. And then I'm gonna pop these in the air fryer. So before I turn on my air fryer, because you guys know that it's ridiculously loud and I won't be able to talk to you really, avocado oil spray is my secret to getting these air fried pork chops to really have that like fried pork chop flavor that you might be missing. I use avocado oil spray. You could use whatever spray oil you want. Make sure that it's one that has a little bit of a higher smoking point, so something that has like canola oil or avocado oil is your best bet, whereas something with an extra virgin olive oil or even olive oil might burn, and then you get like that burn oil taste. I love to do this. I feel like I don't have to fry a pork chop anymore in order to get that like traditional nostalgic flavor of one of my favorite meals. I can't speak for you, but I'm telling you, as someone who grew up loving this meal, it does the job. My air fryer is a little bit older, so it might take a little longer than yours. I'm gonna put it on about 390. My pork chops are a little thick, so I'll let you know how long they were in there when they're done. Okay, it's time to taste. My favorite way is to tear it off the bone. Look at that. Trust me when I tell you, you are not gonna miss frying them in oil. This is so good. I'm gonna go finish eating dinner with my family. Let me know if you try it.